So I'm going to do 6 through 8 really quick. I need to find the zeros. I need to write these in factored form, then find the zeros. There's actually two ways to do this. I'm noticing that this is a difference of two numbers that are squared, so it's my difference of squares factoring. So there's two ways I can do this. I could write f of x equals kind of the square root of 4x squared, which is 2x, plus the square root of 36, which is 6, and then 2x minus 6. And then I would set this equal to 0, so I have 2x plus 6 equals 0, and solve. Subtract 6 and divide by 2 gives me x equals 3. And this factor would be x equals negative 3. The other way I can do it is if I can factor out a greatest common factor here of 4. So if I factor out a 4, I get x squared minus 9. So in this case, I get f of x equals 4, and then again, it's a difference of squares, so the square root of x squared is x, plus the square root of 9, which is 3, and then x minus 3. So that's my factored form. So in this case, x equals negative 3, or x equals 3. That's the easy way to do it. For number 7, I'm noticing that there's a common factor here. The common factor here is 4. But there's also a common factor of x in each one of these. So I'm going to go 4x is my common factor. What do I have left? I have x squared left. I have plus 4x. And I have plus 3. Now this looks like it's easier to factor. So my factored form is f of x equals 4x. And then x plus 3, x plus 1. So my zeros here are relatively easy. X equals 0, x equals negative 3, and x equals negative 1. And then my last one, again, I look for greatest common factors, and here it looks like the only one I have here is 3. So I'm going to factor out a 3. What do I have left? X squared minus 9x minus 10. So then my factored form is going to be f of x equals 3, x minus 10, x plus 1. Again, two numbers multiply that give me negative 10. That add up to 9. It's negative 10 and 1. So my zeros here are x equals 10, x equals negative 1.